Hey, this is Frank. Here guys may already know I created this EN01 few months ago. This one is for the education purpose. It's a very interesting project, so you guys could purchase the part from the link in this video. But today I want to do some improvement. I want to print the logo. Yeah, I purchased this one, this AlgoLaser Pix. Few days ago. Today I got this device, so let me show you what we have inside it. So let's open it. That's pretty much an open box video. Let's take a look what inside of this box. Yeah, let's will do the engraving. So okay, so the first one is the manual. Yeah, we have a panel. This panel is a top panel, which could protect your eyes or something like that. We have some card. Yeah, AlgoLaser. Okay, let's open it. This is stylish. Actually, you don't need this one because you could use your finger to touch the screen. Okay, let's take this off. Let's get this out of the box. It's very good quality, yeah. It's a very nice device. Let's okay, take off these foams. Let's take a look at back side. So this screw is for adjust the height. You could adjust the height. There's some grooves, some brushes. Let's open it. Okay, here is the test board, pretty much the PVC board. Yeah, the plastic one. This is the adapter. If you only have the type A, so you can convert it to the type C. Let's take this brush. This is grooves, some grooves. This is for the screwdriver. It's adjust for the adjustment. For take off the pad. This is a wood test board, test material. I will do some test later. There's small something like a hammer. It's just a distance measure. So you need to measure your nuts, between your nuts and the board. Yeah, just measure the distance. Some zip tie. Okay, let's look into more. Let's get off these foams. Let's turn it around. Let's open this one, get rid of these foams. Oh, this is a pipe. This is for the vacuum. Yeah. That's I think it's 1 meter length. You could put the device very close to your window, and so this one could pump out the air. It's very helpful if you are engrave the plastic material. Because if you are doing the plastic, the smell is not very good. The wood is fine, or the metal. Let's get rid of these foams. Okay. Yeah, it's packed very well. It's for secure the pipe. Okay. It's definitely packed very well. Okay, this is a power breaker. Let's take a look at the voltage. It's 24, yeah, very nice. Okay. I will put the purchase link in the description of this video, so you guys could purchase this one if you like this one. I will show you how it's going to work. Let's turn it around. Let's remove the protector. Okay. Okay, let's open. Yeah, it's very good quality. Okay, adjust the height if you're trying to print something very high. So let's unscore this score. They have 4 of them, but you only need to keep 1 of them if you don't need to stay that height for a very long time. Okay. Now you can secure this one. Okay. Okay, let's turn it on and do some tests. It's pretty much all item over here. Let's put the top panel over here. That's for the top panel. Yeah. Let's get my power cable and turn it on. Okay, let's turn it on. Let's get my power first. Okay. Let's turn it on. Let's look at this side. This is 2-side panel. One is for the engraving, and this one is for the cutting. I don't use the cutting today, so I just use the engraving. Okay. Okay, let's turn it on. And do some tests. Let's turn it on. Okay. Yeah. Let's get the camera closer so we could look into more details. Okay. It's perfect. So I do have Wi-Fi, but right now I don't want to connect the Wi-Fi. I just set up and operate this from the panel. Type the password, set a password. If you don't want to anyone access your device, like if you have a kids. So okay, let's finish this one. You could use the mobile app, but this one I just use my finger to operate this directly. So let's do a test project. I think I missed one step. Let's you could use the stylish, but we don't need this one because the screen is pretty good size. If you have a fat finger, so you could use the stylish, but for me, I just use my finger to operate this one. It's pretty easy. It's pretty comfortable to operate this one with your finger. So okay, let's get the board and measure the height and do the calibration. So this hammer looks like a hammer. It's actually measures the distance. Make sure the distance between the header of the device not right touch your material, but the distance between your material and the header is exactly the same height as this hammer. So this could be easier you don't need the ruler, you just use this one to measure this one. And there is a there you just screw this one, screw this nut to adjust the height. Okay, it's almost there. Let's do some easy one. Next, we have a cat. Let's find the cat. That one is the easy one. We could try a simple one. Yeah, this cat is over here. Let's do it. Let's focusing. Okay, I already measured that. So that's the first time I use this one, so it showed me some initialize configuration. Okay, let's close this one and get this will like the preview to say what area it will print. Okay, let's try again. It looks good. I saw it could print to the board, so just a little bit. So if I could print it in the center of the panel of the wood. Okay. I could adjust this a little bit if I want. Okay, let's play around. Let's try again. Make sure we could print it on the board. I need to move it a little bit. Seems everything is good. So let's cover this one and close this box and secure the pipe. Actually, if you engrave the wood, the smile is not very bad. So let's click start. Okay, now it starts. It's pretty fast, so you can say it's 2% now. It's need to take around 5 minutes to get it done, I think. Probably less than 5 minutes. I think I did some test. It's about 3 minutes to get this wood done. Okay, let's fast forward this one. Okay, now it needs some time to cool it down, but totally it took about 3 minutes. Let's open it, see what it looks like. Wow, it looks good. Yeah, not in the center, but overall it looks good. That's very nice. Okay, it's time to print the logo on this metal panel. This is a CNC panel, so it may need more power. Okay, you'll need to copy the logo to your to your USB drive. So let's put it over here. I need to use the adapter. So once you put it over here, you will adjust. You still need to adjust again because the height of the CNC panel is thinner than the wood board. So adjust this again. Make sure the distance is right. Okay, make sure it's not very close. You can still move this easily, not very tight. Yeah. Now the height is right. Let's cover this one and adjust the position of the panel, of the CNC panel. So make sure it's alignment with the grid. It's perfect alignment with this grid. So, okay, let's find the file. You can download the file from your computer. I just get this from my website. So let's pick up the, you need to pick up the stainless steel. The quality is high, the power is 100%, and the I would print is very slow because this one is the CNC, is the stainless steel. I print it like 10 times, so it will print better if you print more time, but if you just print one time, it will not very obvious show up. So let's start. Let's adjust the size a little bit because the panel is very small. So I need to adjust this a little bit, just more. Okay, let's adjust the position. So once I adjust the position, I use the preview button, this button, say what it will draw. So basically that is the area it will print. So let's adjust this a little bit and then try again. It's still not on the panel, so I need to adjust one more. Okay, still not work. You can do the vertical first, horizontal first. So it's very close. So let's adjust one more. It seems the y-axis works fine. Okay, y-axis very close. Let's adjust the x-axis. Let's preview. Okay, almost perfect. That's almost perfect. Adjust a little bit, one more. It should be good to go. Now it's perfect. Okay, let's close this one and start engraving. Okay, now it's working. Because I'm trying to print 10 times, so it will take much more time, probably half hour. Yeah, you see it's working. Now it's finished. It's take about half hour. It take about half hour. Let's finish this one. Let's open it. See what we have. Okay, you can see it's sorry for the focus. I'm not good at the camera. This one, so you can see it is, but my camera focus is not very good. Let me adjust a little bit. See if we could get a better result. Okay, so you can see we do have the logo over there, but because this is stainless steel, so it's not very easy to print this. But if you look at the one I don't print, you can see the difference, right? Yeah, I probably would recommend you print this first. Use like a black paint to paint this first, and then do the engraving. So it could say, but not very obvious. Okay, let me show you another quick project. I just engave the logo to my laptop. So for the backside of the laptop, so let's because it's let's say pine board. I don't need to do that. I only need to start once, so I don't need the full power. Just the speed is quick or fast. That's it. Okay. Now let's process. Let's take a look at the position. Let's smaller. Take a look. Okay, let's start. This one should be pretty quick. Okay, it's finished. Let's take a look. It's very good. Right. Yeah, looks very clean. So everyone knows this is my laptop. Okay, thank you. Hope you enjoy this project. I take a photo for this one, so you can see it's very easy to see the logo. As I mentioned, if we could paint this one first and then do the engraving, that way may be better to view the logo. But I think so far it's still very good. Since you cannot wipe out this one with the laser engraving. If you just paint this one, it's very easy to wipe it out. But right now you cannot do that. You cannot wipe out that. It will stay there forever. Yeah, I think this is a very good improvement for the outline of my project of this device. Print the logo to the CNC part may be not very good idea, but I also try this one. This is my screwdriver box, so it looks much better. Yeah, I really enjoy this one. And let me know if you have any question or you have some better idea to print the logo to the CNC part. Yeah, leave me a comment if you have. Thank you. Bye.